Let's talk about bread. Bread is one of the most common foods in the world. Bread is made from flour and water. People mix them together with yeast to make dough. The dough needs time to rest and rise before baking. Then it goes into a hot oven and turns golden brown. Bread comes in many shapes and sizes. A round loaf, a long baguette, and a flat pita are all types of bread. Sliced bread is very easy to use every day. Many families keep a bag of sliced bread in the kitchen. Toast is bread cooked in a toaster. It comes out hot and crunchy and is very easy to make. Many people spread butter on hot toast. Some people add jam or honey for a sweet start to the day. Bread is also great for making sandwiches. People put meat, cheese, or vegetables between two slices of bread. In Japan, bakeries are very popular. Many small bakeries bake fresh bread early every morning and sell out quickly. Japanese shokupan is very soft and slightly sweet. It is perfect for toast or a simple sandwich. A baguette is a long, thin bread from France. It has a hard, crunchy crust and a soft inside. Some breads are sweet. They have cream, chocolate, or red bean paste inside. Bread is a good food for any meal. People eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Fresh bread from a bakery smells wonderful. It is still warm, and it is one of the best simple foods in the world.